Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Sologenic and COREUM, unleashing XRPL's potential. It's going to be a really interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And folks, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. Anyways, guys, let us begin first and foremost with the price and chart of Sologenic and COREUM. Let me show you a thread first, guys. This is the thread, guys, that I want to basically share with you guys. This is a really interesting debate by none other than Mr. Bob Rass, the founder of Sologenic, COREUM, basically. So I'm going to be showing you this, but before that let us go ahead and check the price and chart of both Sologenic and COREUM. So let us look at COREUM first. So guys, COREUM is up 0.91% for the day. The price is 16 cents approximately. So check this out. Nothing much here. It has gone as high as 0.165, as low as 15 cents, 15.87. Okay, so if you look at the 7-day chart, it is up 4.43%. Nothing much has happened with the XRPL, the XRP associated coins and the XRP as a whole. But we saw a lot of price appreciation of various projects, but the XRP associated projects have to do well, in my opinion. Still have to move, guys. So this video is basically targeted to. I wanted to make a video on that, but Mr. Bob Rass basically highlighted a few stuff that I want to share with you guys. Anyways, in the 7-day, it went from zero almost 15 cents all the way to 16.5. Nothing much here as well. If you look at the monthly, so yeah, it went when other projects reacted. COREUM also went as high as 21 cents, but since that time it came down again. This is the support. 15 cents is the support, so it came down, tested this, and then again it is basically consolidating. So let's see where this goes. Nothing much over here as well. So yeah, since this move over here, guys, and but in December, we haven't had much, to be very honest. I thought that it might soon break through this, but since that time, it is basically consolidating. But no, but it is in due time, guys. In due time, these ranges will break eventually because the market cap is only $62 million. It has a lot of room to grow still. If you look at this, if you look at Sologenic, guys, Sologenic is down 4.46% for the day. The price is 15.76, the dollar 0.1576. Check this out. It has fallen from 17 cents all the way to here. If you look at the 7-day chart, though, it is up 11.86%, gone up from 0.139 all the way to 17 cents. Let us look at the bigger picture over here, the yearly. So this is the range, guys. This is the range. It hasn't broken this crucial resistance of 19 cents since a long time. This is the yearly low, almost 8 cents, 9 cents. So yeah, but guys, Sologenic, like COREUM, has a lot of potential and it has a lot of room to grow. We're in the rock bottom areas, and it has, like I told you guys, these coins haven't reacted to with the rest of the market as much as they should have. So people are also there are a lot of people who are now being pessimistic about XRP and its associated coins. Sologenic was initially built on top of XRPL, if you remember. So let me now show you Mr. Bob Ross's post over here. I really found it interesting and wanted to share this with you guys. So check this out, guys. Unleashing XRPL's potential, calling all XRPL believers. Ripple X Dev, Brett Garlinghouse. This isn't FUD. So, according to Mr. Bob Ross, this isn't FUD, but a reality check and some crucial questions that need to be answered or tackled in the very least, guys. It is a wake-up call. As a founding member of an early XRPL project, I'm deeply concerned about recent events, and so let's break it down. So, what are these events, guys? Let us now look at them. This is 13 hours ago, guys, so this is recent, this is latest. Before Sologenic, the XRPL DEX saw minimal usage. When we announced building on XRPL, it put a spotlight on the XRPL's potential, and more projects realized they can actually build on the XRPL despite of its limitations. So in the get-go, Bob Ross is saying that before Sologenic, XRPL's DEX had limitations and people weren't using it as much. So they built basically Sologenic on top of it and everything. We developed an enterprise-grade tokenization solution on XRPL and spent 18 months pursuing regulatory approval for a broker-dealer license. Then the SEC lawsuit against Ripple hit, shattering regulatory confidence in the entire XRPL ecosystem. So the ever notorious SEC lawsuit has basically shattered a lot of aspirations or dreams of the XRPL projects and the XRPL ecosystem as a whole. Anyways, in parallel, we proactively pivoted, developing COREUM. So they basically built COREUM, a new blockchain with smart contracts and interoperability with other chains. It is chain agnostic. It is ISO 20022 compatible. It has smart contracts, and it is basically targeting enterprises as well. This offered the missing functionalities XRPL lacked. Basically, the lack of functionalities of XRPL basically triggered or caused the building of constructing of COREUM, and for Sologenic to properly use COREUM for whatever need they wanted in terms of tokenization and enterprise grade tokenization and other use cases, empowering developers to build innovative use cases. Last week, we launched a decentralized open source bridge between XRPL and COREUM. This allows XRPL assets to flow to COREUM and connect to IBC chains. Developers can now leverage smart contract technology for innovative use cases, not just for XRP and Sologenic, but all XRPL assets. So, guys, this bridge isn't for only for XRP or Solo. This bridge is for all XRPL assets. So this is huge. This bridge can be huge because any XRPL asset can make use of it and basically try and expand its cloud uh, elsewhere as well. Anyways, retail users also benefit by contributing. Let me open this. Retail users also benefit by contributing to AMM pools on COREUM and other IBC chains, earning rewards. However, Ripple X recently endorsed misinformation about another chain's bridge being the first to IBC. This is misleading and undermines the effort of the entire XRPL developer community, guys. Let's face it, XRPL has limitations. If Ripple holds most of the XRP supply, it's in their best interest to support all innovative projects building use cases for XRPL. So, according to Mr. Bob Rass, if Ripple holds most of the XRP supply, they need that supply to basically help innovative projects and fund them and to build use cases for XRPL, which has limitations. So basically, not just those by ex-employees, example $100 million to Quail, or funded partners, example XLR. So remember how the iPhone replaced outdated phones? XRPL risks the same fate without embracing innovation. To truly care about XRPL, Ripple needs to stop selective funding and support all developers building the future. So, according to Mr. Bob Brass, they need to truly care about the ecosystem as a whole. Ripple needs to take care of the ecosystem as a whole if they aim to succeed and if they want the XRPL projects to succeed as well. So, check this out. This is a really good take. I mean, shots have been fired over here. The XRP community has waited patiently for Ripple to disrupt cross border payments and replace SWIFT. But if that vision is a long way off, according to whatever is happening, the SEC case and whatnot, shouldn't Ripple at least support all builders adding value to XRPL to grow the ecosystem, just like any other successful layer one? This isn't an attack, it's a call to action to make XRPL the innovative ecosystem it has the potential to be. We all want XRPL to succeed. Guys, what do you think about this? I mean, really clear cut take on what's happening with Ripple and the XRPL. Do you think Mr. Bob Rass is right, or what is your take on this? Do you think that he's right that XRP or Ripple need to basically take care of these other projects, or do you think that no, XRP or Ripple, they are already involved with a lot of things with SEC? It isn't their job, and these claims are just are not providing the solution that is required for XRPL to grow. And whatever, you guys can hit the comment box below and let the community know. Look at the comments over here. I mean, a lot of this is pure FUD like XRPL is dead. I mean, give us much more than this. Like XRPL is dead. It is not dead, obviously, but we can do a bit better from the point we are at now, considering that we didn't move with a lot of other projects as well. Where can I add liquidity to core XRP pool? Thanks. XRP is the banker's coin, was never intended for you and me, the retail. Well said and enlightening. So, do you guys think that it is enlightening or not? A lot of people have commented over here. Let me show you here as well. You just showed your true colors. Hard pass for me. Is the crux of your point that you want Ripple to give you money? If so, what will you do with this money? You already built a separate chain, correct? I think they're trying to get their tech to be used on the XRPL rather than the tech being incorporated into XRPL. So laughable tweet, money. His entire thread made no sense. What do you guys think? Does it make sense or not? What action do you honestly believe the SEC lawsuit is real? It's the WWE. It's all in the timing. The moneymakers, HSBC, Citibank, Morgan Stanley control the narrative. The quantum financial system doesn't shift in a high gear until they say so. When it does, it will be epic. So, a really interesting take, guys. I mean, a really interesting comment. You're a scammer. Remember the solo airdrop? Yeah, that was shady as F. Bro, you all jumped all your solo on everyone. You're mad because Ripple didn't mention your token that was built off fraud. Anyways, guys, what do you guys think about this? I would really like you guys to talk about this. Comment and give your take, because this is extremely interesting. Quite right, but the problem is Ripple's centralized reputation. If Ripple donates individual developer, project team, or whatever involved to XRPL, that could be shown as centralized activities. So I think Ripple should gift XRP to XRPL, not by Ripple X, so as Ryan Fogler did. Your project has not been selected by Ripple X. You must die. Said, I agree. They have never helped the ecosystem when it's not partners or subsidiary. A really interesting post, guys. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.